Hello everyone. Today we are going to give the differences between gravitation and gravity, and we will also see what is a gravitation and a gravity. Students are always in confusion to take two words, gravitation and gravity. So to understand the clear-cut funda of gravitation and gravity, see carefully the both terms used here. First of all, we are going to take gravitation. What is a gravitation? To understand the gravitation, see carefully. The term gravitation is there. Gravitation is the force of attraction. This is force of attraction acting between any two particle between universe. Either terrestrial body, celestial body, microscopic or microscopic. Any two body in the universe, the universal gravitational force of attraction act between any two body in the universe. Let we have two bodies here in the universe, M1 and M2, separated by both a distance r in the universe. So force of attraction acting between the bodies given by formula. This is a well-known gravitation formula, capital G, M1 M2 by r square. So gravitation must be clear to everybody that this is the universal gravitation force law acting between any two particle. Remember the word, any two particle in the universe. Here in this formula, we are knowing capital G is universal gravitation constant. We know this is clearly. Now we are going to see the second term here in the topic, gravity. So see the gravity very carefully. The second term is gravity. So understand this gravity, very important that gravity is the force of attraction. Gravity is force of attraction. See, gravitation was also force of attraction. But see how this gravity is different from gravitational forces. So see very carefully, this is gravity is the force of attraction experienced by a body due to Earth. It means this is gravitational force experienced by body due to Earth, means this gravitational force acting between Earth and a body near to the surface of Earth, nearby to it, either on surface or near in gravitational area of it. Let Earth having mass me, its radius is re, and a body is kept on it. So gravitational force experienced by this due to the presence of Earth is called gravity force. Here, if small m denotes the mass of this, then by universal gravitation law, this force acting between both is capital G, mass of earth into mass of body by square of a distance. This is the mathematical formula here in the equation number 2 to calculate the force experienced by this is. Now see, one more thing is common in it. Force of gravity is also equal to one of the important parameters, that is weight of body. What is the weight of this pen here? See very carefully this red pen here on the screen you are watching. This weight of the pen is equal to the force through which earth attracts this pen, and whatever force is experienced by this pen towards the earth is called the weight of this pen. And mathematically, see, it is the weight W is represented by mg. So it is represented by equation 3. In that condition, one may write capital G MEM by R square is equal to mg, weight of a body. Force of gravity at center of earth is always 0. We'll prove this 0 in next lecture, how it is at the center of earth is a 0. So this is the difference between gravitation and gravity.